Hello and welcome. In this unboxing video we want to show you our favorite jelly from Australia. This is a pineapple shaped and flavored gummy candy. It is made in Australia. We think that these sweets are more delicious than the Haribo candy from Germany. Where does your favorite jelly come from? Leave a comment and let us know. Now let's open the package. They are a little bit harder than the jelly from other brands, but this is how we like it. Have you tried this jelly before? Let us know what you're thinking about it.